FDA sends out warning letters to Walgreens and C.V.S over unapproved eye drops. Let's discuss. Good evening, everyone. I'm putting out this quick video here. I was actually out doing a walk and just raced in here to do this here. Saw this issue, this warning over these unapproved eye drops. And before I couldn't find out what eye drops they were. And I found a pretty lengthy list. Looking at USA Today, they say the U.S. Food and Drug Administration warned C.V.S, Walgreens, and other companies that they violated federal law by marketing unapproved eye products. The eye products are being illegally marketed as being able to treat cataracts, glaucoma, conjunctivitis, and more. The FDA said some of the products are labeled to contain silver, and long-term use can cause skin and body issues, including the eye, to permanently turn gray or blue-gray. The companies have 15 days to respond to the FDA's warning letter as it continues its investigation. So, another thing here, another whirlwind of events going on. Now, before I go over this very long list, I'm not going to put this list in the comments, but you can find this on USA Today if you want to check it out. But it is a pretty lengthy list, and I got to say, it's, I don't know, for a person that wears contacts, right? I wear contacts, and it doesn't look like this affects any contact solution yet. Okay, but we're going to have to figure this out because this is pretty disturbing as to where there has already been a lot of different eye products recalled this year. Now, we mostly cover food on the channel, but we're trying to cover anything that is relative to the channel. Anything that has anything, any kind of breaking news like this, we need to go over because I'm sure, like me, there are a lot of people out here that wear contacts or, you know, most of these seem to be like different, like not Visine, but we're just going to go over them here. I'm going to go over the list real quick, and then there's a segment at the bottom we're going to talk about here for a second, then I'm going to give my opinion. So CVS Health has was issued because of the CVS Health pink eye drops. Okay, so their brand of pink eye drops is on this recall. Walgreens Boot Alliance Incorporated, the Walgreens pink eye drops are included in this as well. I'm kind of curious if you know down in the, let me know down in the comments where any of these products that you may know are made. And I won't go into some of those things, but you know, we got to be careful where we're getting products these days. Boiron, B-O-I-R-O-N Incorporated has the recall for Optique One eye drops. Dr. Vitamin Solutions has the recall for Vision Clarity eye drops and Life Extension Bright Eyes. Some of these I've never heard of before. I do know of the Walgreens and the CVS pink eye drops. Pink eye drops. I should say it like that. But anyway, we have the Natural Ophthalmics Incorporated Women's Tear Stimulation Dry Eye Drops and Allergy. So that's a little different. Desensitization eye drops, Ortho K-Thin Daytime eye drops, Ortho K-Thick Night eye drops, Tear Stimulation Forte Dry eye drops, and Cataract eye drops with Scenaria. I hope I said that right. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot with the Natural Ophthalmics. Ophthalmics. So I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's quite a list from them. And then we have Ocumed LLC, which is the Ocumed eye drops. So it seems like there's a lot of store brand or their brands of eye drops. And it doesn't say what eye drops. It just says Ocumed eye drops. So I don't know if that's for the same pink eye thing. Not very specific in a lot of these. So here is one, the Similsan, S-I-M-I-L-A-S-A-N, AG-Similsan USA. So the Similsan Dry Eye Relief, Similsan Complete Eye Relief, Allergy Relief, it's all the same Similsan here. Kids Allergy Eye Relief, so we're getting more allergy eye relief in here too, not just pink eye, and this does include red eye relief, which is pink eye. Oh, and then, red eye, and then they have a pink eye one too. Kids pink eye relief, Similson aging eye relief, computer eye relief. Oh, wow, guys, I'll tell you what, this is just crazy. This is absolutely crazy. I don't know, but all of this stuff has been deemed not good by the FDA, that it's causing these issues, and this is an awful lot of stuff. It's an awful lot of stuff. So, like, that's why I'm watching very carefully what eye drops and stuff like that. Doesn't look like any of this has anything to do with contact solution, just allergy medicines. They have the pink eye nighttime gel by the Similson and the dry eye nighttime relief gel. All of these being on recall by the Similson. And they have to get rid of it. And they're telling everybody that if you have any of these, to give it back for a full refund. C.V.S went on to say in another article that I read beyond this one that they've removed all of them. All of these are off the shelves, and that they are committed to nothing but quality care products from C.V.S and stuff. And I'm sure Walgreens has come out with something too. This just happened. So, tomorrow could be a different story. We will keep you updated in some of our different coffee rants. I'm actually out of coffee, but we do have another coffee rant coming out tomorrow morning on different food shortages that we're getting from all over the world, not just around the country now, all around the world, and rising prices. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. Hit the bell notification so you're notified every time we put out a video here. And then lastly on this, the TRP company, which is a pretty well-known company, there's a lot on here too. Dryness relief eye drops, pink eye relief eye drops, allergy eyes relief, red eye relief, eye strain relief, eyelid relief, aging eye relief, blur relief, floaters relief, twitching relief, and sty relief. My goodness, that's got to name off the whole list. But again, trying to keep a close eye on the, no pun intended, close eye on these things for any kind of different contact solution or something. There's nothing on here about contact solution, but I don't want to be putting something in my eyes that's going to have a recall. If you use things like Optifree and stuff, well, those, I know that comes out of Texas. Bausch and Lomb, I believe, is out of Texas as well. So hopefully we don't have anything with that, but we do have to pay attention. And it goes on to say, they go on to say multiple eye products recalled this year. This year, multiple eye products were recalled for causing harm to people, including blindness, infections, and sometimes death. Wow. In February, EzraCare artificial tears were voluntarily recalled by the manufacturer after receiving 55 reports of eye infection, blindness, and a death caused by a bloodstream infection. The India-based Global Pharma Healthcare later issued another recall due to possible contamination. The eye drops, which were linked to a drug-resistant germ, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, oh my goodness, Pseudomonas, I know that word, Aeruginosa, so agnosia, resulted in 4 deaths, according to the Centers for Disease and Control and Prevention. So the CDC was on that. Let's see, by March, Pharmaceutica USA LLC and Apotex Corporation pulled eye drops off the shelves for potential lack of sterility. And in August, the FDA warned consumers not to purchase and immediately stop using Dr. Burns MSN drops, 5% solution, and Light Eyes MSN eye drops eye repair due to contamination. And it also says 2 more eye drop products recalled after being linked to potentially deadly bacteria. Boy, I'll tell you, it's like, it is just one thing after another, guys. That is the end of that article. I read a couple articles, but this was the one that was really the most, it was the only one where they give off the whole list of different products. Other articles I was looking at didn't know what the products were yet. And you can go on the FDA's website as well and check that out for yourself. But guys, I got to tell you, it's getting real. We need to pay attention to everything, not just food that is going into our bodies, eye drops, and everything else, because it is just, it's a whirlwind of events, guys. It is absolutely crazy, some of these things that are going on. We have to pay attention. I saw this and it was like, oh, I'm like reading through like all different kind of articles, making sure that this was not contact solution. It is not. But that doesn't mean that, you know, I'm not paying attention to some of this stuff as well, because, you know, I get allergies, you know, and I get out, you know, like a lot of people buy Visine, a lot of people, now that's not on this list, right? Visine or Opticon or any of those, didn't see any of these on this list, so that's good. And I know those are like the main brands of what people sell in most stores. Now, things that are being sold at Walgreens and C.V.S, well, there are thousands and thousands and thousands of stores of C.V.S and Walgreens. So make sure you pay attention. If you have bought any of these products, make sure you take it back right away. Yeah, I would take it back, get your money back. It's just something that you don't want to mess around. Something like this that you're putting in your eyes, and with these possible things that could happen, I would definitely take it back. Don't risk it. This isn't like a bad banana or something. This is a chemical that you're putting in your eye, you know, and you know, I know we have to be careful with anything. You know, some people say chemicals on the foods and stuff like that. I completely understand, but this is something, it's an immediate thing that we have to make sure that if you wear contacts, you know, and you get allergies like I do, make sure whatever allergy medicine or anything that you're using isn't affected by or isn't included in some of these that we went off today. Also, again, you can check the F.D.A website. You can rewind this video and listen to it again, even though I destroyed half of those pronunciations in the words there. But just wanted to put this quick video out here for you guys tonight. Wasn't even planning on doing a video tonight, but wanted to put this out here so you guys could at least get a little bit ahead of it, because I would hate if somebody has any of these products and didn't know about this right away. But guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it helps. Have a great night.